How to create and assign tasks on Practicepanther. The first thing you want to do once on your Practicepanther dashboard, you're going to tap on New in the top left hand corner. After doing that, from there, you're going to tap on Tasks. Once you have tapped on Tasks, from here, you're going to create a new contact if you haven't added contacts already. So you're going to tap on New Contact. Then you can tap on the first and you could type in the contact's name. So let's say I were to add in a contact name right there. Let's do that real quick. Then you can add in their home, mobile, office, and all of their information. You could also tap on show more information and you'll be able to add in their email and more information, as you can see right there. Then you'll tap on save. Now once you have saved it, you're going to tap on matter. And this is basically the case assigned, or better yet, the case referring to this contact. So you can tap on new matter. After selecting new matter, from here you can add in the matter name. So I'll type in test case. Then if you have any notes, you can add it right there. You can also add in custom fields, and you can add in the hourly rate. So whether you use hourly rate, matter hourly rate, or so on. And you can select the invoice template. So we'll select default invoice template real quick. Let me go back. Then you'll simply scroll down, and from there you can add in more information and you'll tap on save. So let me do that. We're just going to tap on save right here. Once the changes have been saved, as you can see right there, we have created our first customer and task. So if we were to go back, so let's say tap on new once more. Then tap on task. After tapping on task, we can tap on select contact, select the contact. Then we can select the matter or add a new matter. Then scroll down, add in the subject, add in the due date. So you can select the due date and time. And you're going to select the status. After doing that, you can scroll down. You can add reminders if you want. And you can choose who you'd like to assign it to and add any attachments. Then you'll tap on save, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.